Welcome guys. My name is Afrobeat, and today I'm going to show you how you can make an easier old school trap type beat, hip hop type beat. So just play a few things in this beat, but my goal is to make something which it sound really cool, sound really magic, amazing. So stay connected with me, and here we go. So I just play my pattern. So I start with F key to play my chord progression. So play my chord progression as you see here. So here how it sounded. Simple like this one. This is my chord progression. For that I play marimba. Is from citrus. So I play simple like this one. Simple like this one. So after that I just play my blast. This is from Simpsons. Yeah. 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 Most of stocks blast sounds I like the most is this one from Simpsons. Sound good. So I just also I play this one. This is blast. So for that I add this pad from Toxic Biohazard. It's called analog pad. So it sound good like this one. I just play as I play in my chord progression. So sound like this one. Yeah, simple like this one. So after that I play this melody. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, sound good. Yeah. After playing that, I go direct to my vacation. So I start with my kick. I just play simple. Slowly. After that, I play clap, which is normal. After that, I play snare. Yeah. Okay. After that, I play the open hi-hat. Yeah. After that, I play a hi-hat. So let's make this go down after here, then here, then here, here. Yeah. Make sound interesting. Yes. After that, let's see, play airways. My airways of elbow. Yeah. After that, I play. My things are over. Let's go and hear my drum pattern. I just prefer to you to listening my drum grooves, how it sound when you combine it together. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Call my name Jeff. If you need the beat, comment down. I'll go through and also check my video description. You can contact me. Yeah. So thank you for watching. And give your time to listen for what I have cooked. So thank you, guys. I really appreciate you. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.